Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the developer mode on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this emoji button down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that you should scroll down to the app settings section and click on the advanced button down below. Here you can find at the top of the screen the developer mode feature, which exposes context menu items helpful for people writing bots using Discord API. So click on this button on the right side of the screen next to it in order to turn on this feature. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.